Well, about a month ago I posted a video on the TTS tool rack, and for those of you who watched the video all the way to the end, you realize that there were going to be a drawing for this TTS tool rack. I was a little bit surprised. Normally I have around 1,000 views on my videos in a month, and this video was about the same. There was about 1,000 views. So I didn't know exactly how many people I would get to enter into the drawing. However, there was about 50 people. Now that doesn't seem like a lot out of 1,000 views, but that's 50 people that actually watched the video to the end, so I was really pretty happy about that. I was just trying to see how many people actually watched the whole video. Now I know a lot of my videos are informative, but they're also very long, so I'm not surprised by that. However, I do have all the names in this box here, and I'm going to do a drawing for this particular tool rack. Now guys, first I want to say thanks for all of you who do watch my videos, and for those of you who watch to the end, a nice reward. So let's see who we've got. Okay. Robert Bashir. So Robert, I'm going to be sending you an email. Make sure I have your address, and we're going to get this TTS rack sent out to you. Guys, thanks for watching my videos. If you're new to my channel and you're just tuning in, please click on the subscribe button down here below. When I post a new video, they'll send you a link, and if it's something you're interested in, you can stop by and check it out. As always, guys, please feel free to ask questions, make suggestions, or leave comments. Thumbs up if you like the video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and most importantly, be safe. Congratulations, Robert. Be in touch to get this sent out to you.